Good day everyone. In this presentation, I will discussing how the core values of Nasians. First, social responsibility. Second, self-discipline. And third is integrity. How will it apply by the youth as they actively contribute and positively impact to their community? First is social responsibility. First, social responsibility. This means that the youth has responsibility to their community. Many youth people today show social responsibility by first, joining the community and cleanup drives. Second, the participating in the tree planting. And third, helping organize charity events. And fourth, and the last, raising the awareness on issues like environmental protection and mental health. By being social responsibility, the youth become against the positive change. They learn that every small action, like proper wasting disposal or a neighbor, creates a big impact to society. Now, I will tackle about the self-discipline. What is self-discipline? Self-discipline is the ability to control oneself and to do what is right when it is difficult. The youth apply self-discipline through first, managing the time well. Second, focusing on schoolworks on responsibilities. And third, staying away from the bad influence. And fourth, using technology and social media responsibly. Okay, when young people are disciplined, it becomes easier for them to achieve their goals. And they become a good example for others. Okay, and the last core values in Nasians is integrity. Okay, integrity means honesty, fairness, and doing that is right even when no time is watching. Young people show integrity by first, being truthful in school and at home. Second, avoiding cheating. Third, respecting the rules and laws. And the fourth and the last, standing up against bullying and discrimination. Okay, integrity builds trust. And trust is important in creating a self and united community. In conclusion, the youth play a powerful role in shaping society when they live by the Nasians' core values: social responsibility, self-discipline, and also the integrity. They not only improve themselves, but they also inspire others and contribute to the better country. And that's all my video presentation, and thank you for watching.